Now we need 4 teaspoons of water. Like my last video, sometimes I add more water. Here's a little baking trick. You really need to spray your pan. I have a little brush and it can help me spread everything around. Now I'm going to dump all my batter into my pan. I'm gonna get my spatula and spread it around. Now it's time to put our cake in the oven. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes. Slide the cake in, and it always comes with this tool, and on one side is like a spatula bit, and then the other side is like a pushy bit. You push in and you look in, and there's this little door that closes on each side, and if it's closed on each side, that means it's in the oven. Time now for the strawberry layer. Time to add 5 teaspoons of water. Now we gotta stir it until it's really smooth. Now we're gonna spray our pan. Now we're going to put all of our pink cake mix in the pan. I'm going to spread my pan. I love this spatula so much because it's a little doggy saying woof. Now we're going to take a red velvet cake out. Time to put the strawberry cake in our oven. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes. Now we're going to make our vanilla frosting mix. Now we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of water. I'm going to add a little more water. Now we're going to make our pink frosting. Now we're going to add 1.25 teaspoons of water. I think I'm going to add some more water. Now I'm going to take my pink cake out. Really good. Now I'm going to try to take this cake out of here. red velvet cake. Now I'm gonna use my pink icing to frost the first layer of my cake. Time now for our second layer. Now let's add our final layer of frosting. I think this spreads better. Now I'm calling on my dad to help me cut it. This is my dad. Time to decorate. Now the best part, tasting it. That is so good. It's amazing. And that's another edition with Baking with Blair. Hit that notification bell, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed Baking with Blair.